Thokozani. Welcome to the next episode of Ubayete Podcast. I am Unhlakanipho Shabangu, also known as Umakhosi Shabangu. And namhlanje ngihambi ngedwa, I'm with uGogo Tshepiso and uGogo Nqobile, whereby they'll be telling us about their spiritual journey, ukuthi baqalephi till bafike lapho bakhona namhlanje.
Thokoza gogo, thokoza mkhulu. Siyaphila unjani wena?
Siyaphila nathi. Ungazethula gogo.
Mina elami igama uTshepiso. Isibongo owakaMadli, kodwa ubaba owakaNdlovu Gatsheni, boyabenyanthi. I have to say ukuthi mina my calling, it was not an easy journey as it would seem. Okwamanje, yes, as I am still learning under umkhulu, but there are still issues and problems that I come across with. The nice thing is that I have umkhulu to speak about and my fellow ugogo ngapha and abanye bomkhulu, where I could just relate to them on any situation or any encounters that I have. But so far I would have to say that it was not an easy journey, but I'm glad ukuthi abogogo, they were able to present umkhulu to be the one to lead and guide me through the journey.
Ngizocela nje sibuyele emuva to the car part.
Yes.
You know, ukuthi okay, since bekunikeza inkinga, right? Eventually you went to umkhulu,
yes.
And he assisted you lapho assisted khona.
Yeah.
Kwenzakaleni even to the car, just take us through
the whole process.
The whole process and nanokuthi ukwenzeleni ukusize ngani, you know.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thokoza mkhulu. Yazi masifika to that car part ne, ukubonisa vele ukuthi umkhulu, whatever that he was talking about was aligned with vele the journey that I had to take.
Okay.
Because before we would go kwabanye bomkhulu wabo, they would say ukuthi ya une gift, une kanje na kanje, and I couldn't understand ukuthi lo muntu makathi ngine gift, number one ibuya kuphi, number two what kind of a gift is it. Okay. Yeah, understand.
Yes.
So besiphuma singena, because of we were looking for that umuntu ozosibonisa ukuthi no kahle kahle the main reason yokuthi lo mntwana agule, lo mntwana abe so kumele ayenze kanje, nobody could fill that space. Yeah, understand.
Yes.
So it must feel kumkhulu ne.
Yes.
The first thing that he said,
yes,
was Gimi uyoba umamfundisi, uyoba nesonto lakho.
Okay.
Ne? And Gimi, it was like, oh, okay, no, now this is too much for me. I feel like I won't be able to handle this. Yeah. But to show ukuthi umkhulu, whatever that he says, yeah, aligner. Before that, akhuluma ngesonto ne. I dreamt of isonto lang sonta khona ngisonta Zion Apostle, right? Basha iskub.
Okay.
Right? To show ukuthi umkhulu, whatever says, was aligning to the journey that I was going to go through.
Yes.
Ngaphupha isonto, it was a house. Yangibonisa ukuthi in that house there's a passage that whereby abantu bayadlula kuyo, and then on the right there's that house. Yangibonisa nokuthi no abantu abakuleyo sonto bagcoka green, if not green it's blue, this light blue ne. I woke up, I told my mom ukuthi hayi man, yazini umkhulu ukhulume ngesonto like this, and then here I am ngiphupha ngesonto.
Yes.
Yeah, understand.
Yes.
Hi. Fast forward, my mom begas on duty that time. Okay. But then I think it was during her lunchtime. She was like, let me go look for this church liya khuluma ngayo, because I had explained everything ukuthi isendaweni kanje uzoyithola kanje na kanje. She went to the place, right? Makafika wire through to that very same passage that I was talking about. Right. Wafika makafika lapha wabuza ukuthi no kunesonto lana, wathola the neighbors like yeah kunesonto, but at the moment abekho. Yeah, understand.
Yes.
Wabuza ukuthi bagcoka kanjani. the very same thing that ngangimtshela ukuthi bagcoka so what ayivele bagcoka kanjalo, but you can come next week mhlambe bazobe bakhona. She came back, she's like, you know, the very same way we describe ngayo ingakhona. Ngathi yazi, honestly speaking, ithe umkhulu makangitshela ngendaba zamasonto, I was like, you understand?
Yes.
Then that's when I was like, okay, you know, some people, they are really gifted. Yabo, abanye umuntu uzofika kutshele into, kumele ngithwase ibuyaphi this whole thing.
Yes.
You understand? Umkhulu told me from the get-go ukuthi ukuthwasa wena, it's not in you as yet. When you need umuntu ozokuguide, ozokulead through all that. How? Okay, fine. Found the church. Before ngitshela nomkhulu ukuthi I found the church, the following week we went esontweni. Mangifika esontweni, upastor wakhona umsuthu, baba umsekamdala. The first thing he said to me was, "I've been waiting for you." Yo, ngathuka.
Okay.
That was the shock of my life. I've been waiting for you.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
Wajela umama ukuthi asilinde ngaphandle sikhulume. Started to talk ukuthi some of the majority of the things bekazikhuluma, it's the same things ekuthi umkhulu bekazikhuluma. You understand? Ukuthi no uhambo lwakho wena lukanje umamprofeti kumele ube nesonto kanje na kanje yabo. He started explaining to me ukuthi ekhaya kini you must have ukuthi ninelanga enithi niyalibeka esayidini and just have your own prayer sessions and all of that yabo.
Yes.
How? Okay, that came through. Niye kumkhulu ke fine ukuthi hey mkhulu yazi into obukhuluma ngayo, it's really happening.
Yes.
Ngihlangane nomfundisi kanje sontweni, and it seems like he has been expecting me. Yabo. Yaqala ke lapho umkhulu was like, you know what, ngizoqala ama praying sessions nam whereby sizoya entabeni where we will all pray.
Okay.
Right? How? Okay, cool. Fast forward, we went there. That's, you know, masifika lapha, that's when you have you ever been to a place whereby mawufika then you feel at home.
Yes, yes.
You understand? Bengilibele ngihamba, I felt lost and all that, but in that journey mangifika, I felt home.
Okay.
Home in a sense yokuthi whenever I take iBhayibheli ngilifunda,
Yes.
some of my dreams, some of my journey,
Yes.
the explanations mangihlanganisa with the Bible,
That would make sense.
they would make sense. Yeah, understand. So yaba kanjalo, and then fast forwarding ngifike umkhulu ngithi yazi man kube ne point ukuthi umkhulu athi kimi, no, you know what, ngathi sesiya ngamawala kakhulu, just come back, find your feet first yabo.
Okay.
Uzoba right, because nami I thought vele ukuthi the way ngiyangakhona sengi right, you know, mabakutshela umuntu ukuthi and then everything is aligning, you think ukuthi hayi manje sengi right, senginceste manje hayi ngathatha abantu ngabavula isonto wonke umuntu wozani bafethi yabo. And then okay,
so in the midst of you going through that, bowusoqalile with the, I'd say, mentorship program nomkhulu, or bowusaya just as a regular patient?
okay, bese ngicalile with the mentorship nomkhulu ne. What I would say, this whole process of the mentorship nomkhulu kahle kahle, let me just put it this way, before ngiya
Yes.
mina umkhulu wami kahle kahle ngibethe umkhulu wayethulile, like he was quiet. I would go to all the places angaphumi until I started going to umkhulu.
Okay.
Then that first dream that I had was actually it was umkhulu and my brother.
Okay.
Right? Ngaya kumkhulu, and this whole thing for me, it was a new thing.
Okay.
You would have dreams, yes, but they never made sense. But laba bayitu, these are the specific people that after I went to kumkhulu, baqala bavela. Yeah, understand.
Yes.
And let me just clarify this. Nabo abavelanga sebavela. Umkhulu told me ukuthi there's some process amabhave kumele ngiwahambe.
Okay.
Yeah, understand. Ngaqala ngayenza ibhavu lomshangelo first.
Okay.
Right, whereby siyahlambulula like every bad thing. Yeah, understand. Ibhavu lokuqala. After that bhavu, that very same night, that's when I had a dream about ubhuti wami okuthi washona 2019.
Okay.
Ever since he passed away, bengaze ngiphuphe ngaye.
Okay.
But there was the first time, and it was not even about iphupho, bekungathi ngiyambona uhleli kanje, which is something that he used to do. La besihlala khona bekanokufika just in the middle of the night. Makaphuma esikolweni nje. We would hear umuntu amemeze egedini, I would know ukuthi hayi sekakhona. Like he would never say ukuthi he's coming. Same in that dream. Wafika nje akokota makavula umnyango. The first thing that he said was ngicela uthathe isithombe sami usise kumkhulu Lungile. You understand?
Yes.
And I was like, okay, ngithatha isithombe ngisisa kumkhulu Lungile, and then what? Umkhulu Lungile uzosenzani?
Shit me last frame.
You understand?
Yeah.
So I and tell my mom ukuthi no man, I don't understand this dream manje ukuthi lo muntu othi sithatha isithombe sisize kumkhulu Lungile, what's going on?
Yes.
Yabo? Ngitshela umkhulu Lungile ukuthi no, after siphume emanzini man, mangilele and ngilele edining room, ngithi hayi ngilele sofeni. Ngiphupha lo muntu kanje uthi thatha isithombe usise kumkhulu.
Yes.
Umkhulu athi kimi no sishiye lapho ngizosithandazela, yabo?
Yes.
Sishiye angibuza ukuthi okay, after the ukubuya emanzini, what are the changes that ukuthi sobe now? Ngithi no, manje sengiyaphupha. Manje I'm hearing voices. Manje yabo?
Yes.
Unlike before whereby I would hear something but it would be quiet. Engazwakali ngathi uzwa into but from a distance.
Yes.
Yabo?
Khona manje
It's clear. Basondele. Yes. Yeah, understand how okay. Umkhulu asho ukuthi no, after leli ibhavu kumele senze ibhavu whereby siyabahlanganisa manje bonke.
Okay.
Yeah, understand? And I'm like, okay. Ngabona lapho ukuthi okay, if this one is working, ngizoliphinda kushuthi lele linge lizoza neminye imikhuba ke manje ngi understand sharp. Siliyenze ibhavu ne sibahlanganise ngemithombo nani all of that. After that bath, he came back again. Now wearing white clothes. Before I couldn't see what he was wearing, I could only see his face. I understand. Now I could see the full body wearing white clothes. Athi no sesimkhululile manje sekayahamba. And then ngiye kumkhulu ngithi whatever you did ngaleso sithombe lesi. Clearly it's fine because lo muntu uzile kimi athi ukhululekile sekahambile seka right uyabonga.
Okay.
Yeah, understand?
Yes.
After he left, then came umkhulu wami from my grandfather's side.
Okay.
Lawyer, I'm even glad this time ukuthi ushone ukuthi bese ngimazi, even though angimazanga the way I wanted to, but ushone sekuthi sesihlangene sengiyamazi.
Yes.
Then started with that whole process ukuthi okay, sharp. Fast forward not so long ago, umkhulu ngiphuphe no before that ngiphuphe ngamathambo.
Okay.
Right?
Yes.
Ngiphuphe amathambo ukuthi bengisemanzini.
Okay.
Kunesikhwama lapho I take it kunamathambo ngaphakathi. Ngithule yabona le ngingatsheli anyone.
Okay.
Ngingatsheli anyone. A week back ngihambe ngiyobona umkhulu so umkhulu aveza indaba yamathambo ngithi yo lo mkhulu like ngathi nje azalani yabo ngithi man nayi lo ayikho indaba yakhe like I would dream about something.
Yes.
And then he would bring it up before namathambo the very same jazz bengilugcokile.
Yes.
Bengil delay I don't want to lie, I delayed it so much. Umkhulu alibela athi jazz. Tema ngifika wathi why were you delaying ngale jazz leli kanje? Again, I think ezinye izinto as the spiritual healers nabantu ukuthi we don't listen.
Yes.
They will come to us basitshela ukuthi no, you must do this, you must do that, but we don't listen. Yeah, understand?
Yes.
So itema ngiqeda ukulenza le jazz. Then came abantu for most cases was abantu abasendlini. I got a call from my sister athi yazi Tshepiso kumele ngigeze but angifuni ukugezwa umuntu ngifuna ukugezwa uwe.
Okay.
Yabo she's going through a lot. I'm the only person ongizomsiza. And then I told my mom ukuthi I don't understand makathi I'm the person engizomsiza.
Yes.
Yabo, it's really puzzling for me.
Yes.
Umkhulu then came athi no, if that's the case,
Yes.
shuthi it's the way ayibona ngakhona yena. Futhi ngiyembuza ngithi is it fine for me to go there? Wabo akusi phela, you know, you'll never know ukuthi sometimes you go endaweni kanti you are going to endanger yourself.
True.
Yeah, understand.
Yes.
Athi no, at this moment he doesn't see anything.
Okay.
Ubona go, it's just the Queen of Pasture, I'll just go there. But what I should do is ukuthi ngichele imoto and then everything else should be fine. Yeah, well, but before then again, to go back kancane, ukubonisa ukuthi umkhulu was the person okubekumela angilide.
Yes.
Emsebenzini la bengisebenza khona, I was not full time.
Okay.
Right, it was just your part time. Right, ngambuza ngathi mkhulu bazongithatha la emsebenzini the way ngibona ngakhona like bebangathathi abantu.
Yes.
You understand?
Okay.
Mkhulu wathi bazokuthatha. And I couldn't see it. I was like, angiyiboni, yabo?
Yes.
Ithe mangiceda ikhona ibhavele ngayenza. I think ibhavele ama blessings.
Okay.
After I've done that lele above,
Yes.
ngathola email from the HR. Basho ukuthi I know siyakuthatha as permanent. And then for me then that's when I took everything. I was like, as in sometimes when you sit back, uthembe no muntu obambekile in front of you to ukuthi akulead and guide you, things will happen. You understand?
Yes.
So yaba into ezinjalo zokuthi my issue was that ngangidlala kakhulu. Bengingazithathi izinto serious.
Yes.
I would go and do this, after that ngihlale and just not pray. Ngingafuzi ngizibona mina for mina as mangiceda whatever le ngibengiyenzile nomkhulu it's done, until I started noticing ukuthi no man, the more ngisebenzisa iswasho sikamkhulu the more ngiyavuleka, not only izinto but clarity of amaphupho. You understand?
Yes.
That's when naye ngamtshela ithi makangibona wathi kimi I see growth in you. Ngathi azimkhulu, the most important things about me growth engiyibona kakhulu it's when I dream or mangibona izinto they are more clearer than before. Ekuqaleni it would be scary. I would see skeletons and dead people not knowing where they come from. Only to find out when I see dead people kanje kusike ukuthi khona ekhaya ukuthi udinga usizo ene se processing usesimncwabile, you understand. And then I would talk ukuthi no kumele kwenziwe kanje na kanje, only to find out ukuthi no njengoba bengisho before, I think I said ukuthi mina no mama siyasebenzisana, right? I would dream ukuthi for example ngiphuphe kubo njengoba ngisho ukuthi kunabantu abashonile na kanje na kanje. And then aphuphe ukuthi no bekumele kwenza umsebenzi lana, akumelanga wenziwe lana, kumele kwenziwe kanje because of le ndawo ingcolile idinga ukuhlambuluka na kanje na kanje. And then when we put that together we understand ukuthi no, okay, when you dream about this kusuke kuchaza ukuthi, yeah, understand. Yes. So that's when I was like, okay, because before bengithuka I don't wanna lie, you know, when you are just sitting here I would remember if mangizoya emncwabeni. Yes. I would see umuntu obekashonile ahleli lapha. And in front of everyone mina I would just act normal like ngathi go right. Yeah, understand. Yes. Until starting the way legend lega mkhulu ngithi no yazi sometimes I need to relay a message. Abanye they would just sit there and not talk. And they would lash out mangiphuma still. I could still feel them ukuthi ngiphume nabo. Yabo? Yes. And then to that point ukuthi abanye would stand ngaphandle kwejaredi la kubo. Okay. Asho athi ngicela ungibizele umuntu kanje na kanje. They are the only people ukuthi bazokhona ukuthi bangivulile ngingene. Yo. I would never do that. Billy bengisaba umuntu uzokutshela ukuthi uyahlanya yikho leyo nto. You understand? Yeah. So a friend of my mom passed away and I was like, I wouldn't know how to tell anyone ukuthi lo muntu uthi ungaphandle akakhona ukungena. Yes. Yeah, I understand. Yes. So ngamtshela my mom was the only person who I could talk to, and then yena ahambisa message to the people. Ngimtshela ngithi umngane wakho usososo uthi akakhona ukungena umile lapha egate ucela umamakhe kube uye omthathayo amisi. Only to find out ukuthi no mamakhe vele uphuphe the very same thing but umamakhe wayengayithathi serious because of yena umuntu wasesontweni laba bathandaza. It doesn't actually yabo. So if as soon as it came through a message kimi plus naye waphupha the very same way, she knew what to do. Mina okwami was just to go and tell her ukuthi ngicela uzongifaka.
It was basically a confirmation.
A confirmation, yeah. So with her, she was like, they told her ukuthi umfaka kanjani and everything. Mina, I was just there to come and confirm ukuthi no, wena okwakho kumele you must come and do this. Yes, this is.
So ngicela sibuyele endabeni yemoto.
Yeah.
Are you still using the car? What's happening because you just touched base on it?
Base, ne?
Yes.
Njengoba bengisho ngithi again yeah, umkhulu ngisizile too much. Because now I'm using the best car ever, brand new car from the box.
Okay. So Leia, is it still around or?
No, it is not.
Okay.
It is not. Leia, I managed to sell it. It's still okay nakhona because I'm still in touch with the guy obekayisebenzisa. Ngimbuza ukuthi, are you experiencing the same issues that I was experiencing? The guy was like, nope.
So the problem was spiritual and it came from your side?
From my side,
Okay.
yeah, understand.
Yes.
So bengihlala naye in touch and be like, is it okay? I say, one of the issues that when you had, I don't know, aziko, they're not there. So now, now I have a new car.
Okay.
So yeah, it's all right. But the thing is, for me, hence I'm saying, Uguti, I'm still growing.
Okay,
I
yes.
wouldn't say Uguti, I've gotten to the part whereby I'm there yet.
Okay.
But I'm still growing. And the things Uguti, into engiyithandayo akangikhiphi endleleni umkhulu.
Yes.
You understand? Uyangifaka because I would even ask him questions, difficult questions sometimes. Ukuthi okay fine mkhulu ngiyakuzwa kanje because of mina my gift kahle kahle ne.
Yes.
Iphuma kugogo.
Okay.
Ugogo ukuthi akafunanga yena ukuyithatha le gift. Okay. So it went on and on. Yandlulela kimi. You understand? Umkhulu asho ukuthi ugogo wakho is powerful and that but akayithathi le gift.
Okay.
Oh, so yena even though ayithathile but he took the dark side of it. Yeah, understand? So mina nomkhulu we were talking last week. Okay, so mkhulu makuso if you took the dark side of it, umkhulu athi no, that less usikhwama naso sidinga ukuhlambululwa.
Yes.
You understand? Inkinga comes when if sithathwa umuntu okuthi vele naye unenhliziyo embi. Then in that case it will continue instead of ukuthi si protect umndeni.
Yes.
It will continue to do isn't wrong the generational curses and all of that. And again into engenza ukuthi ngi-understand the whole situation part. I think I did mention ukuthi bakhipha umamam.
Yes.
Washo umkhulu ukuthi some members are there to protect umndeni.
Okay.
Wabo. So my mom was that person ukuthi uthwele ubuhlungu ba wonke umuntu. And she doesn't even show that. But abantu would continue to curse and bamzwisa ubuhlungu. Then that's when I understood ukuthi this is not an easy journey. Seeing somebody you love cry every time, it is not. But yet when things go wrong, bayeza bakhale kuye. Ene akabuyela ukuthi kodwa uthe instead uyasiza and all of that.
Okay. So are you practicing right now? Are you healing people or you are just still under mentorship?
I'm still under mentorship, but at the moment I think ngasho ukuthi kakhulu I'm gifted kakhulu a meeting, like I'm able to assist abantu mabagula abaphethwe izinto. You know, I'm good at that. So whenever you come to me, you consult, I'm able to see, especially mawugula and have issues, then I would know what to prescribe for you. Ngikwenzele imithi enjani and then yeah.
Okay. So in terms of your consultations, do you consult ngomoya or you also use amathambo?
At the moment, I consult ngomoya ne, but because I saw amathambo and umkhulu did mention amathambo, it's still a process and a journey that I still need to go through too.
Oh, okay. Sibonge kakhulu gogo.
Thokoza mkhulu.
For also sharing a story about, you know, your journey and how be affectana nemoto yakho Nkosi yami. Surely there would be times whereby you'd be late for work, ne?
Most of the time. But kakhulu bengayenzeki ekseni. It would happen coming back from work. Because I remember that incident, it was when I was coming back from work.
Okay.
So yeah.
Yes.
No, ngiyabonga for the light and the journey. In most cases, the respect umkhulu angifundise yona and just to stay grounded. Yeah. That's more what I take from him. Out of all the things, it's the respect for umsebenzi wabantu abangaphansi, because it's not easy.
Yes.
Bangakiyeka at any time.
Okay.
So yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Ngiyabonga.